This is our latest product launch, the Mind Blown Hair and Body Treatment Candle. So we called it Mind Blown because everybody that I tell, they're literally like, it's what? So it's a candle, a regular candle, that can also be used on your hair as a hair mask and on your body as a body treatment. So like a beautiful oil. So it's just stunning. It really is. We worked so hard on this and it is just flying out the door, which I'm so pleased about. Smells beautiful, smells of eucalyptus, lavender and bergamot, which I think is just a beautiful, it's our signature scent actually, and it's a beautiful combination of really kind of uplifting and revitalizing tones, as well as kind of calming. There's chamomile and lavender, which balances that out. So beautiful to use all times of the day. How you use it is you light it like a regular candle. Oh, let's try that again. And you let that sit for, you can see that, you can't see that with the ring light, but there it is, it's lit. You leave that for 5 to 10 minutes just to burn. And then when you come back, it has this beautiful sort of melt pool around it where you can scoop up. And if you scoop it up immediately, you'll get this lovely oil texture. And if you leave it a minute or two more, you get this lovely kind of body butter texture. So it's really what you prefer. So I'm gonna leave that and then come back when it's ready and show you how to use it. And this is the result after the candle. So my hair feels so soft and it is so shiny. I don't know if you can see that. So shiny, feels so healthy and smells so gorgeous. So that scent is gonna last in your hair throughout the day. And yeah, so will the shine as well. So hope you enjoy.